Hi, my name is Bob Greenleaf. I'm a quality control inspector here at Mountain Base Manufacturing in East Hampton, Massachusetts.
I'm mechanical, so this is all mechanically related work, and I enjoy this. I do a lot of first piece inspections, so they'll bring me a part up from the shop, and then they gotta wait for me to give them approval. So I'm always looking for ways to speed up that process to keep production flowing smoothly. We have a CMM, but to use it, you have to program it, and you can spend quite a big chunk of time programming it, and then you gotta run it, get the bugs out of it. It can be a real bottleneck. So I've been wondering for a while if there isn't a better solution out there for us. When I was at the Eastec show a few months ago, I noticed that Fulcrum. We were very impressed. It looked like it was very user-friendly, quick to use to get some fast data. And the presentation I got was really impressive, and the guy was knowledgeable and showed how quick it was and easy to use. I'm like, wow, that's nice. This I thought was gonna be really helpful for us, it'd be quick and easy to use. So I like the fact that, with some critical dimensions, I'm gonna be able to give them some numbers pretty fast and say, okay, the part's good to run, or hey, we got an issue here, we gotta correct this. I think it's gonna be helpful. I think for the money, for what we paid for it, compared to a lot of other inspection equipment, I think we got a good value for what we spent on it. I think there's a lot of potential for it. I think it's gonna help us out a lot. And we're just getting started.